everybody, welcome back to my channel if you've been here before, and if you're new here then welcome. My name is Eve. I post all sort of makeup and beauty related content, hauls, unboxings, reviews, tutorials, you name it I do it. This is, look at the camera, this is my little helper Lewis. He's going to be helping me unbox the December Glossybox. Now I can't remember exactly how much this subscription is, I'll put it up on the screen. This is only my first, I have been subscribed to them in the past, but I'm not going to lie, I only resubscribed to them so that I could get the Fenty box, and I've ordered that one, and that one will be coming soon. So this is just the regular December 2021. So I've got no idea what's in here. I've not watched any other videos. So I'm just going to open it up, and it's a very pretty box. So some cards in it, and the usual stuff. Go through them later. So the box is gorgeous, I must say. It says best time of the year, lovely sparkly box. So 10 out of 10 for that. Then inside we also have the most gorgeous kind of winter ribbon there. So we're just going to open this up. It feels a wee bit sticky. Hopefully that's not a bad sign. We have the wee book, like usual, which I'm not going to look at and spoil. And then in the products. And what do we have here? So hold that up. Hold that up. So that one is a Wonder Beauty, and that's an eye mask. I do love eye masks. I do get really puffy under my eyes. So I do love a wee eye mask to kind of help with that. That's the first thing. What's the next thing? Next up we have a Sport FX sponge. I have one of these. I got it from Latest in Beauty, but I keep forgetting to actually try it. So that's decent. I'll give that a go. Next thing is a nail polish. That's no use to me. I bite my nails and I pick at them. Plus I work in an operating theatre, so we're not allowed to have our nails done nice. Next thing we have is a Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula. Smells nice, things like that. Always useful. It doesn't wow me, but it's fine. Then the next thing we have is an eye cream, which is good. I always need a good eye cream, especially because I'm now 35. So that's the eye cream. So that's the products in there. I'm not wowed by that. It's the Christmas box. I think there could have been something nice makeup wise. I don't know what other people got, whether they got different things. I don't think the value of the box is that high. I don't know. Or they could put like a wee bit of chocolate or something nice, just because it's the December box. Sorry, that was my husband just phoning. So yeah, I do like I'm saying, I do think it could have been a bit nicer for a Christmas box. Maybe a nice wee bit of chocolate, or I don't know. I was expecting a wee bit more. I mean, they're good products that are in there, but it didn't wow me, especially not for the Christmas. If this was any other time of year, fair enough, but for Christmas I would think they would do something a bit more special. So anyway, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I will be doing Glossybox unboxes for as long as I continue the subscription. Leave me a comment down below saying what you got in this month's Glossybox. Did anyone get any different? Did anyone get a better or worse box? Please remember to subscribe. A lot of my watch time comes from people that aren't subscribed, and I would love for you to subscribe and join me on here, and also hit the notification button so that you're notified of all my future videos. So that's all from us. So bye. Bye. Say bye. 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 Right, wave bye bye. Bye. Wave bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.